Hey, good morning, guys. Damn, looks like I got this BTX at this annoying late day run yesterday. I had some small short, but I got stopped out of it for tiny loss. Now it's gapping down. Man, if this thing had gapped up instead, it's gapping down, what, 20 bucks almost? If this thing had gapped up 20 bucks, I would have gone, oh man, I would have done insane size on it. Much as I could. Instead, now it's gonna be a tricky one because you don't know if is it gonna fade or rally out of the gate. Could do, it could very easily rally back to 70 or something. I hate when I do that. It's the same thing that happened on IGC. I think it was IGC back in 2017. Yeah, 2018. The same thing. It was an insane parabolic setup. Had a late day rally. And it actually was higher in after hours. And then it kind of faded pre-market. Opened way lower. But it still kind of faded a lot after the open. But obviously it was a much bigger move. This is not really comparable. That move was over 3,000%. This is only, well, was 2,000%. So. Yeah. The problem with all those sectors, they're too thin for me. X, I was thinking about doing it, but wasn't, I don't know, I wanted to tighten up a bit. CLF looks pretty decent. There is this NUE. Actually had a breakout like last week. This one, it's a lower ADR. That's the problem with all of these. My scans don't pick them up. That's the problem. Yeah, it's hard to be a whale. Bad wigs. That would make me the wig man. I don't wear a wig. Yeah, I saw the Marcus Carlson video yesterday. Or whatever his name is. Yeah, no, wait. No, what's his name? Carl. No, wait. What's his name? Magnus. Yeah. Magnus Carlson. Yeah. I knew there was something wrong. That was amazing. Like the Harry Potter one. You saw the interview guy, he's like, what the fuck? Insane, man. That's what happens when you really, put your mind to something. Don't be a fucking loser and you're all over the place and you don't get good at anything. There's people that are running around doing a little bit of this, doing a little bit of that. You'll never get good at anything. If you really focus on one thing, you can be the, I mean, you don't have to be the best in the world, but if you can like be the best at what you do in your city or at your company or whatever, man, dude, you're gonna be in such a position of strength. Wait, what is this thing here? Oh. Most people don't master anything. Very few people master. And it doesn't have to be something professionally, obviously. It can be something, a hobby or whatever. Most people don't really get truly great at anything. They kind of go with the flow. You created harassment? Yeah, David is a master harasser. It's a good thing you found your calling, David. Not everyone find their calling in life. I respect that. You shaved your head 3 days ago? You're gonna get used to it. It takes a few days. It's a really weird feeling once you shave it. It's like, whoa, it's so cold, but you get used to it. The creator of Ethereum created Ethereum because he was upset with the World of Warcraft update. There you go. There you go. The power of nerds. Oh, Blizzard nerfed his Warlock? Was it in... Nice. That's insane, man. Trip to Turkey? Why Turkey? I wouldn't go to Turkey for medical treatment. No way. Turkey is famous for hair transplants, so... Yeah, where did Elon get his hair transplant? Yeah, it may be cheap. What if something goes wrong? Like, where are you gonna go? They're gonna tell you to fuck off. I try to pay a little bit more and at least have some type of, you know, what's it called? Legal thingy. Legal recourse, yeah. Alright, guys. Market opens up soon. I really hope BTX rallies back to that 70 area, or high 60s at least. Please, please, please do. Really hope it does. And then I'm gonna, or maybe, I don't know. I'll probably do some opening range lows. I'm not, I don't know. Hmm. Good luck, everyone. And David. All right, very good. Hopefully pops more. I got rid of my TQQ ETF. It's losing the 20-day and it's, yeah, not gonna stick around. Okay, that was a fast move on PTX. Damn. Oh, come on, BTX. Give us a little bit of a bounce. BNTX could be a meaner version shorter. I wasn't really paying attention to this one. Oh, Jesus, BTX. No, no, no. Not without me. Oh, I got what, like 1/10 of my position on it. Well, the most profitable day trading setup is playing out on BNTX for those of you who paid attention. For those of you who have followed the instructions on the screen. What about Biotech Land? Damn, I did miss that one. That's annoying. I did short a truckload of the SPXL. It looks like they're all breaking down. Like the SPYs had a long move. Now it's starting to roll over again. Maybe we'll get a pullback to the 50 or 100 day. Would be nice. Everything has just felt so tired. It's the problem. Gap fill? I don't see a gap there. What do you mean gap fill? The 100 days 322 area. I really hope we get a real washout this time. Like get the tiredness out of the market. Get a real like 20% pullback or something. Everything feels so tired and slow. Wash out to the 200 day, yeah, an undercut to the 200 would be nice. Like even better if, you know, the lower the better. The lower the better. Yeah, we need a purge. Yeah, that's it. We do need, you know, get the bullishness out, get some reset in charts. And like I've said 100 times, you know, the best rallies, that's the easiest money is after market correction. That's what I'm waiting for. I want easy money. I don't want hard money. Hard money is for the losers. I want easy money. And to get the easy money, you have to wait. Sometimes you have to wait a long time. RVLV, yeah, looks good. In this market, well, it's actually has earnings in 2 days. Maybe it can break out. I'm not sure. For what to happen? The Fed buying? I think you're overthinking things. No such thing as free money? Well, that you didn't trade in 2020. Come on, one more rally in BTX. I want my fills. Those of you day trade, you missed BNTX, you should reconsider your, I was gonna say life, but that's not the word. You should reconsider your goals and priorities. Oh, I'm just selling down up more stuff. Things don't look too good. Damn BTX. Blah. Gonna fade without me, huh? Yeah, the stocks have been shitty. Except some niche sectors that have been working well, like some of the shippers. These things are like tiny market caps. They're all nano caps pretty much. Damn, I guess I should have shorted TQQ opening range lows. Oh well. I did SPXL short instead. Pretty decent size actually. This stop is so tight. Damn, I should have done more. Oh well. Yeah, if we can get a rally on BTX, I only have 10% of the position I wanted. Actually less. I have like 5% of full position. Kind of sad size, I have to say. Yep, things are really breaking down all over the place. Which may be a little bit shocking for everyone, not for everyone, for a lot of people started trading in 2020 and follow guys like Dave Portnoy. But this is what reality looks like, and this could just be the start of a bigger correction. Who knows? I'm looking at some of these fuel cell names. They couldn't get enough of these things, like Plug. They couldn't get enough of this thing in the 60s and 70s. And now they can't get out out of it fast enough. QS, the battery name. One of my best traders of all time. CCIV. They had Dead Cat bounces, Dead Cat rallies like 2 weeks ago. Most of these SPAC names, QS, CCIV, but now they continued selling. This is what happens when you buy a concept stock at like what? I think it was like 80 billion market cap up here. Or was it 60 billion? Same thing with QS. Insane market cap. 45 billion. Probably over 50 billion at the top. Concept stock. That's insane. Trading vehicles only. Yep. PRPO, it's too low priced. I can't trade these low priced ones. Or I can, but it's just, I don't know. I mean, I guess, yeah, sure. Should I trade it? Oh, PTX. No! I hate it. I hate this. Oh, I should have been more aggressive. I'm so bad at this short selling. Or at least like parabolic short things lately. I do them so rarely. Have to do some math. What was the news on PRPO yesterday? Well, if you're buying warrior day trading scalps, it means you're an idiot and you're buying when he's selling. Doesn't mean a recession is coming. It means you're... Okay, let's not say the word idiot, but let's just say you need a little bit more experience in life. Let's put it that way. But yeah, you can blame it on a coming recession if that makes you feel better. But do realize he's a pumper and you're buying his pumps. Oh, that's the news, yeah. Well, January and February were insane for stocks. But I mean, you know, stocks don't go up all the time. You would realize that if you just looked at stock charts. Widen your horizons a little bit. Just go through every stock in the US stock market. Oh my god, no. How could I not? Oh man, I'm missing some opportunities today. I'm such a boomer right now. What's going on? Missing some insane opportunities. Is this a sale in May action? What do you mean sale in May? Stocks can go down any month. Guys, this is a good thing. Don't be victims, guys. This is a good thing. Get the excessive bullishness out. Reset the charts. And once this is over, it can take weeks, it can take months, may take quarters. And then will be easy money. After all this is over. Gonna be some insane moves. Just like after the COVID sell-off last year. Like, once the market bottomed, like in the months after that, there were so many stocks that doubled, tripled, quadrupled in a few weeks. Just look at like a lot of the airlines, cruise lines. There were some insane opportunities. You know, large cap stocks that doubled, tripled, quadrupled. In some instances, they did it in a few days. You gotta wait for that. Yeah, I hope also we get a real washout. Last time, like back in March, we almost got there. I wish instead of, like, if you look at the Nasdaq, it bounced off the rising 100. It would have been better if it had gone all the way down to the 200 day. Then we could have gotten a really nice rally back, right? Instead, we got a mediocre rally. Yeah, there hasn't, well, there has been good setups, but it's mostly been in like very liquid and very slow moving names and or. So like my scans haven't really picked up a lot of the stocks that have made moves. But and yeah, there hasn't been like huge movers. The only large cap stock I remember or that I know of that made a big move is this BNTX during this period. More than a double in a month or so. That's the only one. That is the only one. This is, guys, you know, I'm seeing a lot of naive people in the chat. Like, people are freaking out. Like, oh, is this a recession coming? No. It just means stocks don't go up all the time. Is there a recession coming? Maybe. Who knows? And that's actually relevant. What you need to pay attention to is how the stock market actually works. Which means you need to study. That's right, you need to study. You don't need to trade, you need to study. And once you get a little bit more understanding how stocks move, how the stock markets behave, then you can start trading. Otherwise, you'll just be another victim. And you can blame it on the coming recession. If there is one coming or not, it doesn't really matter. The point is, you can blame it on whatever. While in reality, it's your own lack of education that's the problem. David, you're not freaking out. Hey, David, you've been around since World War II. You've seen things. You've seen market declines before. You've seen bear markets. Yeah, it's kind of been feeling like that for the past few months. Like you know, some of the indices had nice runs, like SPICE and Nasdaq, but the underlying action, like there's very few of the larger names that drove this. The underbelly, like and the speculation money has totally been dried up. Totally dried up. Man, should I short Tesla? No, not yet. No, I know. No, TA1909. I'm not like directing it completely, like, you know, I'm not like singling you out. I'm just saying, you know, it's common things. Like I keep, you know, people that are new, they keep like, you know, like it doesn't matter. David was here when Jesus walked the earth. ETHE. I would prefer it to get more extended. It's not really that extended. Well, or is it like, what's Ethereum doing? ETH? Man, no, I mean, yeah, I wouldn't short it here. Maybe for a day trade if you feel like you have an edge, but I mean, ETHE is not really, or sorry, Ethereum is not really extended. Maybe if it goes up another few days. Oh, BNTX is gonna go down to the 20-day. And NVAX yesterday was the tell. And now this one is getting pulled down. Is Dogecoin still going up? Wow, it is. Holy shit. Yeah, that's where all the speculation money is right now. Dogecoin. 80 billion market cap. That's 80 billion. Holy shit. Yeah. Oh man. That's called momentum, guys. If you learn how to trade momentum, you're set for life. This is momentum. This is literally a choke. Dogecoin is literally a choke, right? A choke trading at 80 billion market cap. And it's the same thing over and over again. It had two high tide flags. It had a flag down here. It broke out of this high tide flag, surfing the 10-day. And now it broke out of this flag. Like, was it last week? No, it had this big move, orderly pullback, undercut the 20, reclaimed, started building higher lows, got tight. You see the pattern? If you watch my swing trading school videos, you know. I even made a swing trading school for crypto, right? And look at this. This is what this is. You learn how to trade momentum. You can profit from these things instead of blindly buying something and, you know, praying it will work out. You set for life. If you're up 5% on TQQ on a short, why would you want to sell it? You mean cover it? I can't help you there. If you think a 5% move is huge, well, I can't help you there. If you think 5% on an instrument that has an ADR of 3.4 is huge, a huge move, it's really a tiny move. Titscoin? Oh. Is it like, what is Comrocket on TradingView? No, Comrocket is not on. There's also that crypto Comrocket. Wasn't that like 150 million market cap? Yeah. The things people are throwing their money at, it's insane, man. It's insane. Yeah, that's why we're laughing at Comrocket. That's why we're laughing at it, because it's like 150 million market cap. And you know, if you have a sell exit strategy, it's all fine. But the thing is, most of the people buying these things, they don't have an exit strategy. That's the problem. Scam coin? What's the market cap of scam coin? And that's the insane thing. People buy these. Like, why would you buy some like Comrocket scam coin? Oh man. Well, I guess, you know, people are buying it because they're going up. Can you buy anything with Dogecoin? Noko coin? Yeah, that's true. That's the thing. Like in the stock market, many times it's the scammiest stocks that make the biggest moves, and I guess it's the true in crypto land too. It's insane. It's not that we're too old. You're never too old for anything. But I wish it was easier to trade. Like, I wish I could trade these things with my regular broker, but I have to put my money in these, crypto brokers. I don't want to do that. And also I'm looking at some of the volumes like Dogecoin, and I don't know what the volumes on Cumrocket are, but like Dogecoin isn't that liquid. It's actually not that liquid. Or wait. Never mind. Yes, it is. It's actually pretty liquid. No, never mind. No, wait. Yeah, no, it is liquid. Never mind. Scamcoin is at 7 million market cap? Yes, there is a crypto called Cumrocket, yes. Last time I saw it, it was like 150 million market cap. I have to double check. Wait, coin. Since there's nothing else going on right now, let's see here. Cummies? Where can you see the market cap? Market cap? Okay, 100 million. No, wait. 100,000? No. Wasn't this thing like 150 million? Am I thinking of something else? Maybe I'm thinking... Wait. Oh, I don't know. What happened to NFTs, by the way? NFTs was like, everyone was talking about NFTs, and now I don't hear anyone talking about these things. And Earth 2 also. What happened to this thing? No one is talking about it anymore. It's kind of fascinating. The human psychology. People are literally willing to put their money into anything. As long as it, as long as there is promise of upside, people don't really give a shit. About the risks. People only think about the upside. When in reality, you should actually think about your downside first. And the probability of that upside. Well, that's true. But how many of them actually do go up 10,000%? That's the thing. Like, there's hundreds and hundreds of these things out there, and only a few of them make big moves. And that also only in a very concentrated period of time. I'm thinking about going long some of these VXX or UVXYs. Not yet though. Maybe later. Any guesses how many days the correction lasts? Yes. Your guess is as good as mine. Doesn't really matter. Guesses are totally irrelevant. Let the stocks tell us when it's over. It's impossible to know. Impossible to know. Do I think ARK K is gonna break down? It broke down yesterday. Now it's continuing through. It had a breakdown yesterday. But if you get like some decent, no, sorry, I'm putting the wrong watch list. Like these ETFs, let's look at the weekly. Like there could be some mean reversion setups in this thing. Maybe next week if it keeps selling down to like 90 or something, 80 even, that would be great. There could be some nice mean reversion setups, possibly. TNA. Yeah, it's actually still building higher lows, this TNA. It's insane. What if the markets hold up? TNA is actually still building higher lows. It's not bad. Russell, yeah, I would like to see flush to the 200 day. The bigger the flush, the better. I'm just so tired of the slow grind we've had over the past few months. Like it's kind of nice to see some potential action. Like the past 2 months is the slowest I've seen in a long time. I haven't traded this little in my trading career. Especially like the last month. No, probably last 2 months. I've never traded this little in my trading career. Yeah, exactly. Don't overthink things. Like, if you're a day trader, there's usually, you know, things to do. At least near the open. But now we're approaching midday, and if you're a swing trader, I mean, there's nothing here to do. Like, you may as well take the day off, go study, go do something productive. The most important thing is to preserve mental capital. Stay positive, stay healthy, physically and mentally. Let most market participants wear themselves out, and then when it's time, you can come back, you can be aggressive, and you're gonna be in position of strength. That's how you win in the game of trading. You have to do some things differently. Hey David, did you just give me a compliment? I need to screenshot this. But the steel names are strong though. I thought I was gonna get stopped out of my CLF, but it's actually near the highs of the day again. And also my silver ETF, HEQ, is holding up really well. Not really running the way I was hoping it would do, but I mean, at least it's holding up nicely. Okay, BTX looks like it's bouncing. Let's see if we can get to the low 62s. I'm gonna get to half size if it gets to the low 62s. Oh, it's so illiquid today. Ooh, the volume is already dying off. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna go full size on this thing no matter what. I'll get to half size, and that's that. TMSD, isn't that a steel name? It is. It's kind of all over the place. I think it needs to tighten up a little bit. You know what? I'm thinking about. Let's see. I'm thinking about decreasing my ADR criteria on my scans because I'm kind of missing out on a lot of these large cap. Well, this is actually a mega cap, but like these liquid large cap names that are a bit slower moving. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna decrease my ADR to 2 from 3.5 to 2. Wait, how many results do I get? 24. If I decrease to 2, okay, let's do 2.5. I'm not gonna go crazy here. 20. Okay, I only got one more. There's gonna be more late in the day. This is what I have to do to catch some of the liquid but slower moving names. That's the curse of that's the called the big account challenge. Everyone's doing small account challenges. I'm the only one doing big account challenge. Oh, sorry, 2.5. Did I do 2% on the last one? The financial ETFs are holding up really well also. Well, yeah, in a way, yes. If you can do bigger size, but on a slower ADR stock, but but these slower ADR stocks, they tend to not move as much generally. So you're gonna have to get bigger size. But on the other hand, you can also have tighter stops, but still, you want to be in the fastest moving stocks as much as possible. Is there anything good on YouTube? Oh, PRPO. I don't have full size, but time to cover some. Walmart, yes. It looks like shit, and it looks like it has an ADR of 1.1. I don't know why you're even mentioning this thing. ADR 1.1, come on, guys. Oh, PTX. Let's go. Am I sure I'm not a day trader at heart? Yes. This is where the entry. You wait, you know, when you get something like this extended, you wait for day. In this case, it was day 2, but it was kind of a. Well, actually, wasn't as big of a move as I thought. But you wait for the weakness, right? You don't try to find the top. You wait for the like things getting like really, you know, speeding up, and then you wait for weakness. Like I kind of anticipated this first red 5-minute candle. I kind of shorted in the 790s area. Low 8s and 790s. Oh, nice. Let's see if we can go back to $5 today. Yeah, in parabolic scans, yeah, like my stop on this thing was, yeah, about 14-15%. That's true. But you're gonna go for accuracy. Like something like this, a very high win rate. But, and again, it's not like I did some crazy size. And the thing with these is if you get stopped out, you start small, right? First time, I never go like big, like I do like half size or whatever I want to do, I do less than that. And let's see if it had stopped me out, taking out this $9 gone to 11, 12, whatever. Then you look for a new setup, but now the setup is better, so you can do more size. You can risk more and have an even better expectancy. That's how you treat these things. On PRPO, I wanted 400,000 shares. I only got slightly less than 300,000, unfortunately. So it was a very small position compared to my account size. Just really tiny. Today was actually one of the more exciting days in a lot of weeks. One thing I really regret is BNTX, man. That was a big opportunity. That was a multi-million-dollar opportunity that I screwed up. I completely screwed it up. I was even looking at it when it was here in the 210s, 2 teens. A few minutes after open, I was like, nah. Damn. I need to wake up. That's the thing with these kind of parabolic setups. You don't get the 5 stars. They don't come around that often. So many times you kind of, I don't know, you gotta get rusty. Kind of forget how to trade them. Haven't traded a parabolic type of thing in a long time. Well, except for this PRPO now, and PTX, but no. TCAT, yeah, I don't know why I didn't do that one. That was a 5 star. I don't know what the hell happened. Oh, did I do it? I don't remember. Eyes? Yeah, Eyes was another one. I don't remember if I did those or not. You get them now and then. TYHT. Oh man, this thing barely trades. But yeah, it's made a big move. Kind of. Come on, BTX. No, I didn't get filled on that ad. Oh, come on, I never gonna get filled on that ad. Fortinet. Yeah. Slow ADR. Slow one. And there's no setup here. Damn, silver is pulling back. Camping World, an EP. What are the criteria for EP? It's like you haven't followed the instructions on the screen. Yeah, Bitcoin is now below the 50-day again, and the 50-day has been starting to slope lower. Oh, CLF. Nice. Did I buy my neighbor a new moped? No. I think they fixed the problem. Who cares if Kathy is buying more Tesla? All that matters is if there's a setup here or not, and I don't see a setup here. It is still holding higher lows. Needs a lot of work though. That had earnings. Well, I don't think it's an EP. It looks like just a random update. There's nothing special. Or maybe if the earnings were blowout, I don't know. It doesn't look super. It didn't. I mean, can it go? Sure, but it's not really something I would look at. This earnings season has been so bad. I thought it was gonna be good because there are some long bases in a lot of stocks, but it just nothing good so far. Nothing good. If we start fading late day, right now we're obviously bouncing, but if we start fade, oh, Russell is strong. Spice are near the lows of the day, Nasdaq is near the lows of the day, but Russell is actually retraced most of the move now. Interesting. Very interesting. Huh. And it does look great. Like this flag is like insane looking. Yeah, F6 is kind of flagging. One that I missed was this Alcoa. It had a 5-star breakout. No, not 5-star, 4-star breakout here. Was it 2 weeks ago, I think? Yeah, 2 weeks ago or so. Now it looks like it wants to go to 50 or something. Oh yeah, that's true. That was the problem with AA. Yeah, that's why I guess I passed on it. It had earnings like the day after. Oh man, I'm gonna go do something productive with my life. Thanks for joining, and see you tomorrow. Good luck, guys. Don't forget to study.